What's your bass knob?
I've made that, both of them.
Yeah.
I can play down to 22.
Really? So it's a fourth order? Or?
Yeah, it's a 4-3 12s.
Okay. What 12s?
Orion HCCA.
Okay.
The 12-2 is running at 1.33 ohms.
Oh, okay. What amp?
HCCA 8K. Everything's in the back.
I'll go check it out after.
Yeah,
okay.
it's all back there.
Is that your bass knob?
I've made that, both of them. You know that liquor called De Leon?
So maybe, I don't know.
Big square bottle?
Yeah.
With the big
Really?
D on it?
That's what you did? Now that's awesome.
Yeah. Literally.
That's unique. Heck yeah.
I made it because I'm like, my nephew drinks a lot of it, so I'm like, 5th half-gallon pint.
Yeah, do it.
So.
Man. What's their box tuned to?
It's actually tuned to 43.
Okay. Have you metered it?
Last time I metered, I was still on AGMs, and I did a 50.7 at 12.6 volts. Now I hold 15 volts.
Yeah, so you probably went up a 2 dBs probably.
I hope.
Yeah.
Because in my class, no wall 3 is fucking hard.
Oh, I bet.
People are jumping to it.
Yes, sir. Did you want to hear it, man? Yeah, I'm going to get some outside flex. Give him a demo.
How's it going, Dave?
How you doing, sir? Oh, yeah, appreciate it, man.
See, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins had to pay your whole semester, but you gotta write it better than a Tesla.
That's musical, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.